Hello. For the second time in a month, I found in the change from a shop a coin whose engraving was unknown to me. It is a €2 coin dedicated to the European Football Cup in France, UEFA 2016. This coin is bimetallic, nickel and nickel brass in the center, and copper nickel for the ring. A weight of 8.5 grams and a diameter of 25.75 millimeters. This commemorative coin is circulating, which means it can easily be found in shops and in your pockets. The reverse represents a map of France with inside the Henri Delaunay trophy, surrounded by the different pieces from the Monnaie de Paris, as well as objects related to football. The current mint run of this coin is 9,980,000 copies, to which are added 10,000 in BU and 10,000 in BE. The value of the current coin ranges between €2 and €3.5 in quality fleur de coin. The copies in BU are worth €12 and in BE €25. The cleaner and shiny the original currency, the more value it will have. As usual, you have to watch the currency that is returned to you at the store. We can have a surprise.